Menteri Rangba Kajala Kurat Sangma Habu Yakran Bikinong Tok Kubor Ulapan Pau Kejong Sniok Men Bu Kajala Kajok Ya Kekusnam Kum Kawin Di Kebusdang Ya Kesengkam Sengjam Ulay itu Buan Nakaliang Jong Sorkar Jela Kala Percang Bun Peli Kilat Kilong Tei Bun Ai Mensim Ya Kibu Sengkam Sengjam Lajong Wat Ijong Ai Ibuna Bu Kasorkar Ka Ai Kan Ai Mensim Ya Kini Kisamla Kibu Sengkam Lajong Ulong bu sniaw sarong bu kejela kadi kawe na kilaita kijela jong keri India kibuco ya kani startup award kapakentup ya kejela Gujarat bat Karnataka. Ulong bu kani ka kusnam kadi nak benta kibu sengkam sengjam la jong ha kejela Meghalaya.
It's a very happy moment, I should say, and the reason I'm personally happy is because we have been actually really focusing on entrepreneurship and startup for a long time. And I am a firm believer as an entrepreneur myself. I faced a lot of challenges and I felt that support was not there and the system was not there. And even a small support structure would encourage our entrepreneurs. And in the long run, for any economy to move forward, unless until startups and entrepreneurship is not encouraged, the economy cannot move forward. Government has got its limitations. Government is a facilitator. It creates the policies, it creates infrastructure, the ecosystem. But what drives the economy is business and entrepreneurship. And hence we have been focusing on it for the past 2 to 3 years, almost 4 years now. And today we have seen that Meghalaya has been awarded the best startup, one of the best startup states, along with 2 other states, as Gujarat and Karnataka. So Gujarat, Karnataka and Meghalaya have received this award. So it's a great honor and pride, I think, for all of us. And I give full credit to the entrepreneurs who are really the people who are driving this. So yes, it's great, and I dedicate this particular award to the entrepreneurs of our state. Thank you.